Welcome back. Shubham Chodankar has been elected unopposed as Mayor of Panaji, while Edward George is the Deputy Mayor of Panaji. Thursday was the last day for filing of nominations for the post of Mayor and Deputy Mayor.
CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado's term ends on Friday. Election for the post of Mayor and Deputy Mayor is scheduled on Friday. Thursday was the last day to file nomination. Corporation of City of Panaji received only one nomination form of Bharatiya Janata Party's councillor backing Shubham Chodankar for the mayor's post.
सगळ्यांक पयलीं हांव आभार मानता म्हणजे सगळ्या कॉर्पोरेटरांचे जेंच्यांनी हो विश्वास दाखोवन जवळ अनअपोजूच म्हणटा अशें इलेक्शन जाल्लेलें आहा. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार हांव उपकारी आसा म्हज्या सगळ्या पार्टी पदाधिकाऱ्यांचो जेंच्यांनी म्हाजेर हो विश्वास दवरलेलो आसा आनी त्या प्रमाणे फुडें येणाऱ्या काळान त्या दिशेनूच काम चालू जातलें. जी पणजेची जी कितें कामां आसा तिची प्रायोरिटी आसतली.
Councillor Edward George from Babush Montserrat's panel filed for Deputy Mayor post. Official announcement will be on Friday. After by-poll of Panaji constituency, Babush Montserrat had declared his panel support to BJP councillor for the post of Mayor. Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik has strongly opposed the idea of nationalization of waterways in Goa. He says, rather, centre should grant 100% funds to the state governments to develop waterways in their respective states. Union Minister of Shipping and Transport Nitin Gadkari had earlier declared that the government intends to declare all the major rivers in the country as national waterways, including Mandovi and Zuari waterways in Goa.
MP Shantaram Naik made a special mention in the Rajya Sabha on Wednesday. In a telephonic conversation, Naik informed us that if improvement of mode of transport of goods and passengers is the main motive behind developing waterways, then instead of nationalizing waterways, central government should financially assist the state government to develop these waterways.
ज्या जाग्यार आमी सद्याक आमी राष्ट्रीय धर्मरस्ते जे नॅशनल आसना ते बांदूंक शकनात. ते आतां हळूहळू राज्य सरकार कडेन दितात किंवा अशें ते प्रायव्हेट पार्टी कडेन दितला. हे पळय नॅशनल राष्ट्रीयकरण जातलें न्हयचें तें एकूण प्रायव्हेट पार्टीच करतले. कोट्यांनी रुपये ते कमयतले आनी वाहतूक ह्या न्हंयतल्यान बरी जावपाक जाय म्हणून आमी हें सांगप पळय आहा नितीन गडकरीची बरोबर न्ही. खंयची मोठी न्हंयो आज पर्यंत कितली न्हंयो जाल्यात सोच न्हंयाची.
Earlier, Union Minister of Shipping and Transport Nitin Gadkari had declared that Government of India intends to declare all the major riverways in the country as national waterways, including Mandovi and Zuari waterways in Goa. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
The work of the new South Goa District Hospital is left abandoned by the Goa government for many months now. The project has become a public nuisance with the stagnant water around the complex and breeding mosquitoes. Fathodata MLA Vijay Sardesai has threatened to hit the streets if the work of the hospital is not resumed soon. Surprisingly, Health Officer Margaon Urban Health Centre says he is not aware of the menace.
Have a look at this premises. It is supposed to be the construction site of new South Goa District Hospital. But as of now, District Hospital is left abandoned and has now become nuisance to the locals. Mosquitoes have chosen this site as best place to breed. Residents have now demanded that the hospital work be resumed as soon as possible.
ते किम्स जान ते सोल स्प्रेड जाता है. थिंग बोल किम्स जाता है ना सोल स्प्रेड जाना आमी ते किम्स आनी हे पाड्यात कोणा कितू जाणा मलेरिया जाता ते आतां आमकां खबर ना.
जे पण डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आहा न्यू बांदताय ते काम बंद आहा म्हणटा आमी लिगल नोटीस धाडलो. बट ते लिगल नोटिसाचो रिप्लाय फायल केलो ना. बट टील टुडे काम बंद आहा. हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विजीट कोता हे ओनली आय वॉश एकले स्टेटमेंट कोना आपण इतल्या टायमा भितर कंप्लीट कोता म्हणून.
Fathodata MLA Vijay Sardesai says that he will raise issue in the assembly. He has threatened to come on the road if government fail to fulfill their demands.
हांव हे असेंब्लीन कॉलिंग अटेंशन मोशन मूव करता. दुर्या म्हाका असेंब्लीन अलाव केलें ना जाल्यार आमी रस्त्यार येवन लोकांक घेवन रस्त्यार येतलो.
Surprisingly, Health Officer of Margaon Urban Health Centre is unaware about the fact.
हॉस्पिटलाचें काम कित्याक म्हाका ते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराक कितें तरी तांकां प्रॉब्लेम आसतलो डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणून कितें बंद दवरलां आसतलें ताजे बद्दल आमकां कांय सुचना ना. कनेक्शन पळय जालां म्हणटा न्ही बेजमेंटाक तातूंत आमी ऑलरेडी फीश बी सगळे घाल्ले आसात. सो तुगेलें ब्रिडींग थंय जावंक पावचें ना.
The foundation stone for the 556-bedded district hospital was laid in 2008. It includes a 50-bedded cancer treatment unit and a 100-bedded super speciality cardiac center for excellence in Margao. We are in 2015, but seems like hospital has a long way to go to see the light of the day. Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.